This is a quick video on how to set up your Blink camera system. It's a great way to spy on yourself and get notified that yet another car has driven by. And yes, I suppose it's also nice to have a bit of extra security. To get started, first plug in your sync module. You'll know which one it is because it's the only one with a power cable. Put it somewhere central to all the camera locations you want. Next, you'll need to install and launch the Blink app. It'll walk you through setting up your account. From the app, you'll start by adding a device. The Blink wireless camera system is what you just plugged in. Select that. It'll have you scan the QR code that you'll find on the back of the device. Next, it'll have you name your camera system. If your device is doing something other than blinking blue in the way it depicts in the app, there's a reset button on the side of the device. Press and hold that until it starts blinking correctly. Much better, now it'll actually cooperate. It'll want you to connect to the sync module's Wi-Fi. Just click Go to Settings, select the Blink Wi-Fi, return to the app, and press Done. It may take it a bit to find your sync module. I recommend whispering encouraging words to it to help it keep motivated. I personally had to cancel and retry, but then it worked fine. Once connected, you'll be prompted to select your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Give it a bit to connect to the Blink servers, and this part of the process will be done. Next, grab the first camera you want to install and take off the cover at the back of the camera. To do so, push down with the down arrow on the back of the camera and pop off the back. It doesn't come off super easily, but you'll get it. Now go back to the app and add a device. This time you'll want to add a Blink wireless camera. Scan the back of the camera to initiate the process of having the app and sync module find the camera. As an important note, you'll want the camera to be near the sync module to get it to find it more easily. Now you'll be able to view the camera feed and see the most ideal place to put the camera. You probably know roughly where you want to put it, but being able to visualize what the camera actually sees really helps with positioning. To get it into place, there's a back piece that you just screw into the wall or whatever you're mounting it onto. Just screw it in first, and when it's secured, snap the camera onto it. You'll still be able to adjust at least the tilt of the camera a little bit once it's snapped in place. Now that it's where you want it, you can go back into the app and press the little camera button at the bottom right of that camera section. This takes a picture, which is nice for visualizing which camera is which in the app. On the bottom left of that section is a video icon, which will show you a live feed of whatever that camera is seeing at the moment. You'll see at the upper right of this same area is a settings icon. Go ahead and click that for your camera settings. This is where you can change the camera name, see basic info like how it's doing on battery life, and tweak settings like re-trigger time, which is the minimum time between video recordings, or clip length, which affects the maximum length of a video clip. To enable or disable a camera, press the icon of the guy running. The little bell with the Z's next to it is the snooze icon. Just note you should go ahead and set up all your cameras before arming the system, or you'll get an annoying error that says that the system needs to be disarmed before adding another device. The last thing I want to note is the scheduling feature. If the sunrise or sunset or some other predictable factor is going to freak out your cameras, you can click on the settings wheel at the bottom center of the app, schedule a disarm before that time, and schedule an arm action for after that time. Then, just click the days it's applicable for and you'll be good to go. Anyway, that's all the important stuff for getting your Blink camera up and running. Hopefully that helped. Have a good one.